Welcome to my channel. OEM Used Auto Parts. Figure out what you need. Before you call or click anything, know exactly what part you're after. Make, model, year, and engine type matter. The more specific you are, the faster you get the right part. Give GearShift a call. Visit GearShift site, GearShift Auto Parts. Give a call or manually search your auto part. Tell them what part you need, your car's details, and ask if they have it in stock. Friendly tip: have your VIN handy, it speeds things up. Get a quote. Once they confirm availability, ask for a price. Don't be shy, sometimes they have multiple options, or parts in different conditions. Compare and see what makes sense for you. Ask about warranty and return. Even used parts should have some safety net. Ask GearShift about warranty or return policy. Know what happens if the part doesn't fit or fails. This saves headaches later. Place your order. All set? Give them the green light. They'll handle shipping. Usually, they're fast and trackable. Check the part when it arrives. Don't just toss it in your car. Inspect it. Make sure it's what you ordered and nothing's broken. Install and test. Once you're happy, install it. If it's beyond your skills, get a mechanic. Then test it out. That's it, you're done. Buying OEM used parts doesn't have to be scary. With GearShift, you're talking to real people who know their stuff. Just call 1-855-475-5657, follow these steps, and get the part you need without the stress. Thanks for watching.